Hey guys, hope you all are fine. In today's video, we are going to learn a new word, how to say no problem in Chinese. Okay, let's see how to say no problem, and it's absolutely no problem. To say no problem in Chinese, it's 没问题, 没 second tone, 问题, 没问题. Now you speak it. 没问题. Let's use this in a sentence. 钱没问题，问题是没钱。钱没问题，问题是没钱。钱 money, a very important word. 没问题 no problem. 问题是 problem is 没钱 no money. So 钱没问题，问题是没钱。Okay, let's see another example. 他有中国朋友，所以他的汉语没问题。他有中国朋友 he has Chinese friend. 所以 that's why 他的汉语没问题。Her Chinese is good. Here 没问题 means no problem at all. Like it's very good, very fine. 他有中国朋友，所以他的汉语没问题。Hope you all are enjoying learning Chinese with us. If there is any problem, feel free to ask. 没问题, we will reply you soon. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at GoGo Chinese Class. See you in next video. Bye.